10th problem. Give your own examples of matrices satisfying the following conditions in each case. The first one, A and B such that AB is not equal to BA. So AB is not equal to BA. We want to give some examples of matrices by our own. Let me see here. I want to take this A as 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and B as 1, minus 1, 0, 2. So AB is nothing but multiplication of A and B. A is here and B is here. As usual, matrix multiplication, we can multiply these two. It's nothing but first row and first column is 1 plus 0, and then first row and second column is minus 1 plus 4, and then second row first column is 3 plus 0, then second row second column is minus 3 plus 8. Therefore, we have 1, 3, 3, 5. And then we want to find the value of BA. So BA is B, matrix of B is here and A is here by using the matrix multiplication as usual. So first row first column is 1 minus 3, and then first row second column is 2 minus 4, then second row first column is 0 plus 6, and then second row second column is 0 plus 8. If you simplify this, we have minus 2, 6, 8. So here this is not equal to this one. So we can easily say AB is not equal to BA. The second condition we have A and B such that AB equal to 0 equal to BA, where A is not equal to 0 and B is also not equal to 0. The second division. Here AB is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. B is 0, 1, 0, 0. Here we want to multiply, find value of AB and BA. Both the things are not equal, and this is equal to 0 and this BA is not equal to 0. So by satisfying this condition, we want to take the matrices in your own there. If we take this, we can conclude like this. Third one, A and B such that AB equal to 0 and BA is not equal to 0. 11th sum. Show that f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y, where f of x is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. So here f of x is given. So we can take this as the same thing as f of y equal to cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Let me find this f of x into f of y. Here this is f of x and this is f of y. So by using the matrix multiplication, we want to multiply this thing. Here first row first column, that's nothing but cos x cos y minus sin x sin y 0, and then first row second column, that is nothing but minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y plus 0, and then first row third column, here it is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then as usual, second row first column is here, and then second row second column is here, then second row third column is here, then third row first column is here, then third row second column, then third row third column is here. So if you substitute, if you simplify in the first thing, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, here we can take minus as common. So sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, here it is 0. Then here sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, Here cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here 0, 0, 0, 1. We can use the trigonometrical identity. Therefore, we have cos of x plus y. Here minus sin of x plus y 0, sin of x plus y and cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. So, this can be written from the trigonometrical identity. So, this we can write f of x plus y, isn't it? So, f of x into f of y equal to f of x plus y. 12th sum. If A is a square matrix such that A square equal to A and the value of 7A minus of I plus A the whole cube. Here given A is a square matrix and A square equal to A. Then we want to find the value of 7A minus of I plus A the whole cube. Okay. So, we can take this A square equal to A. That implies A cube equal to A square into A, isn't it? So, in the place of A square, I can write this as A. So, A into A. A into A is nothing but A square. The value of A square is A. So, it gives us the value of A cube is also A. So, given here A square is A. Now, we found A cube is also A. So, we can substitute whatever we are going to find here. So, 7 minus of I plus A the whole cube. We can expand this by A plus B the whole cube formula. So, here A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3A B square. And then we can remove the bracket by multiplying this minus symbol here, so that we have minus I cube. Minus I cube is nothing but minus I only. And then minus A cube minus 3A square minus 3A. So, we can simplify now. So, what we can simplify? Minus 3A and here 7A is here and minus 3A is nothing but minus 4A. And here we have minus A, minus 3A and minus 3A. It's nothing but totally minus 7A. So, already we have on 7A. So, we can cancel this and this there. So, the remaining thing is minus I. So, the value of 7A minus of I plus A the whole cube is nothing but minus I. 13th sum. Verify the property A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC when A, B, C are given by 2, 3 minus 3, 1, 4, 5, B is 3, 1, minus 1, 0, 4, 2 and C is 4, 7, 2, 1, 1, minus 1. Okay. So, the matrices, 3 matrices are given as A, B, C. Here we want to verify the property. So, take the left hand side first, A into B plus C. First, we want to simplify the brackets always. So, in the bracket what we have? B plus C. So, let me have this B plus C here. B matrix is here and C matrix is here. We want to add both the things. So, corresponding elements we can add there, isn't it? So, 3 plus 4 is 7. Then 1 plus 7 is 8. And then minus 1 plus 2 is 1. And 0 plus 1 is 1 here. And then 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1 here. So, B plus C is here. We found this value of B plus C. Then we want to find A into B plus C. So, matrix A is here and B plus C is here. So, again we want to multiply the thing by using the matrix multiplication. First row, first column. So, 2 into 7, 14. 0 into 1, minus 3 into 5. And then first row, second column. It's nothing but 16 plus 0 minus 3. And then second row, first column. That means 1 into 7 is 7, 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into 5 is 25. And then second row, second column. So, 1 into 8, 4 into 1, 5 into 1. So, by simplifying this we have minus 1, 13, 36, 17. This is the left hand side of the answer. and then we want to find the right hand side. It's nothing but AB plus AC. So first we want to find AB. AB is here matrix A and matrix B. By using the matrix multiplication as first row first column, first row second column, we got minus 6, minus 4, 19, 11. And then we want to find the value of AC. This is matrix A and this is matrix C. Then matrix multiplication, we got the value 5, 17, 17, 6. And then we want to add both the things here. It's nothing but AB plus AC. So AB matrix is here and AC matrix is here. We want to add both the things by using the corresponding elements, adding the corresponding elements. It's nothing but minus 6, 5, that is minus 1. Minus 4, 17 is 13. And here 19, 11 is 36, 11, 6 is 17. So in that left hand side already we got the values. Minus 1, 13 in the equation 1, 36, 17 is here. And now also we have minus 1, 13, 36, 17. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we have A of 1, B plus C equal to AB plus AC. 14th sum. Find the matrix A which satisfies the matrix relation A into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. We want to find the value of A. Here in the problem it's given A into this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. So here this matrix is of the form 2 by 3. Here this matrix is also of the form 2 by 3. So here in the first one we want to find M and N. Then only we can get the answer like this 2 by 3. This M by N, how can we get this? If it is have 2 into 2, here it is 2 into 3. Here the A into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6 is given. Here the order of this matrix is 2 by 3 and order of this matrix is also 2 by 3. Okay, here we want to find the order of the matrix A now, that is M by N. So here it is M by N, here it is 2 by 3 and here it is 2 by 3. So we want to find the order of this one. So here we can easily find this N and 2 must be equal, isn't it? So we know that already if the column of the first matrix and the row of the second matrix must be equal. Therefore, we can have N equal to 2. Likewise, in that next one, value of M. So that M is, here in this problem, here it's given 2 by 3 in the answer. So we can say easily say the matrix is 2 by 3 here. Therefore, the order of A is 2 by 2. So the 2 by 2 is nothing but A equal to A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal to minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. In the left hand side we can multiply by using matrix multiplication. First row, first column. That means A into 1 is A, B into 4 is 4B. And then we have to multiply first row, second column here, and then first row, third column is here. And then second row, first column, then second row, second column, then second row, third column is here. Okay, so and then we can equate the things that A plus 4B equal to minus 7. 2A plus 5B equal to minus 8. And then 3A plus 6B. We want to find the value of A, B, C, D, isn't it? So if by equating the first thing as the first two equations and then C and D is nothing but C plus 4D equal to 2 and 2C plus 5D equal to 4. And then we can simplify the equations there, solve the equations there by taking 1 and 2, and we want to solve here. So that we have B value is minus 2 and A value is 1. And then take the equation 3 and 4. By solving these two, we got D equal to 0 and C equal to 2. So now we got the values of A, B, C and D. Therefore, A equal to A, B, C, D is nothing but 1.